Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So here we have a cassette from SRAM. These parts are together. We have one part which is detachable and the lock ring. As you can see, it's saying SRAM. And when you tighten the cassette, it will make this noise all the time. So this is the SRAM PG730 1232T. Now 12 means 12 tooths from for the smallest cog, and 32 is the last one. So this has 32 tooths and this one has, as I said, 12. So this is a pretty old cassette and it has some wear. It looks amazing with this silver material. Obviously this probably is aluminium. It doesn't have any rust whatsoever, and overall it looks quite amazing, but sadly this one will have to be replaced because it's in a bad condition. Overall it looks good because I cleaned it, but still it will probably just damage the chain in the long run. So if you're wondering what else to replace yet another cassette, you can just go on Google and just search for 1232T 7-speed cassette. So another option could be the Shimano Tourney CS line HG27S 12 line 32T, and this one looks like this. I'm not sure if you can see it that well, but this pretty much is the same cassette. It has the same structure. So it's pretty cheap. This one goes for about $13 to $14, and the SRAM is a bit more expensive, maybe $16 or $17. So they're quite similar, very entry-level cassettes. Obviously few bikes have 7 speeds. I mean, the high-end bikes go with at least 8 or 9 speeds, but this one comes from a bicycle that is 10 years old, and yeah, for that one it was using a 7-speed cassette. So this is how the SRAM PG 730 cassette looks like. Looks very good, but if you plan to buy one, now you can know what to expect. Overall the design is just amazing. It looks really nice and really shiny. Now if you use it, it will probably get some oil. It will get a bit black around here, but yeah, you can probably clean it often and it will look good. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.